So for the third boat, you've got straws, a stick, the sail, some Play-Doh. We're going to use tape again, and then if you want to cut the straws, you can also use scissors. I'm going to leave mine whole, but you can also bend them up like that if you want to. Totally up to you. You can also put all the different colors into a pattern, whatever kind of boat you want to make. So I'm going to line them all up at the bottom here, like that, and then I'm going to tape them together nice and tight. That way no water can get into my boat. I'll add more tape up here. All right. And then I'm going to flip it around and fold these pieces up just for some extra. And then maybe one more piece of tape. Just like that. And then same thing as the other boat, I'm going to use a little bit of Play-Doh for my sail. All right in the center. And then add some tape to the sail. Like that. And that is the third boat.